Here's a quick rundown of my DIY solar system. Here I have two Growatt 3000 inverters running in single phase, giving me 6,000 watts. I have everything going to my panel, and it's being powered also by a 11 kilowatt DIY battery pack. I have 4,000 watt solar system outside. Currently it is 9:51 a.m. and I'm pulling in 1,600 watts, only using 500 watts basically so far, so 9:24 going to the house. It's still early in the morning. So, and from here I have everything going to my transfer switch. This 10 circuit transfer switch is powering my critical loads. So basically all of these, in case of a power outage, I could still power mostly all my 120 outlets. So I have 10 of these circuits running on the transfer switch. And I can switch between grid and solar anytime. Right now everything's running on solar because I'm making excess solar so far, so I might as well use it. So 6,000 watts, 4,000 watt solar system, 11 kilowatt battery. Everything is being monitored by Solar Assist, and I could monitor this anywhere in the world on the web browser. So for my battery's at 17% so far and climbing.